Good morning students, hope you all are well. So today I'll discuss this chapter fraction. I think this is our second video, and today I'll discuss the simplification of numerical expressions, especially handling the brackets, and after that I'll explain that BODMAS, and especially in handling the brackets we are having some important brackets. The first one, you can see that this bracket is known as bar bracket or vinculum bracket. This word vinculum came from vincere. Vincere is a Latin word, and the meaning of vincere is to bind something. And with the sign of this bar bracket or vinculum, we bind two fractions or two whole numbers or two integers. The second bracket, this bracket, you can see this bracket is known as parenthesis. This is also a Latin word. The meaning of parenthesis is insert. In this bracket we insert this bar bracket. Next one, you can see this curly bracket. Name the word curly. You know already what is the meaning of curly bracket. We use this curly bracket in maths and music and computer. The last one, this is the square bracket. You can see that it is in the shape of, here you can see that edges are there. This is square bracket, and square brackets are known as also crotches. Here you can see the brackets innermost to the outermost brackets. This is the innermost bracket, bar bracket. Then we use parenthesis to insert this bar bracket. Then we use curly and square bracket. Now so this is all about brackets. Now I'll discuss BODMAS, how to use BODMAS in fraction. Now you can see that BODMAS, already you know this BODMAS. It means that B represent for brackets, O represent for off, D represent for division, M represents for multiplication, A represent for addition, and S represent for subtraction. We use BODMAS wherever we are having the more than two operators. We use BODMAS. So in case of fraction also we can use BODMAS. So I'll explain it with the help of one example. So it is written the question is given 1 by 2 into 1 by 7 divided by 2 by 3 of 1 whole 2 by 7. We will use the BODMAS. Here you can see that there is no bracket, so we will not use this bracket. Then we'll use off, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So first of all we'll solve. After bracket, what is there? Off you can see. Off means we have to multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 7 divided by 2 by 3. At the place of off we can write into 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9 by 7. So first of all we'll solve the off. This is your off, 3 divided by 3. So we can write here 1 upon 2 into 1 by 7. Same thing, 2 3s are 6 because into off upon 7, and here it is 1 7. Now off, what is there? Division. So you can see division is there. We'll divide it. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 7. We'll convert this sign into multiplication. So we'll take the reciprocal of 6 by 7. It will become 7 upon 6. This is cancelled. So we can write 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 into 1 upon 6. So now after division, multiplication. So 1 upon 12. And this is solved. We are not having addition and subtraction, so it is over. The next example. This is your next example. So in this also we'll apply BODMAS. Bracket, first of all we'll solve the bracket. In the bracket, which one is the smallest bracket? Vinculum is not here. After vinculum, which one is parenthesis? Parenthesis is here. We'll solve this parenthesis first of all. So we'll write all the components same. So we can see that both the denominators are equal, so we can take it as common. So 1 plus 13. rest of the things will write as it is written. So 3 by 7, so 13 plus 1, 14 upon 14 into 7 upon 13. So we can write it 3 upon 7 divided by 14 upon 14 into 7 upon 13. So now we'll solve this curly bracket. 3 by 7 into reciprocal of 14 upon 14 will become 14 upon 14 only, 7 upon 13. So 7 2s are 14. So we can add 6 upon 14 into 7 upon 13 2 times. So we can write, and 2 is 3 times, we can write 3 upon 13. So this is your answer, 3 upon 13. On the behalf of the previous two examples, you can solve exercise 2b. And whatever problem you face, you can send me on WhatsApp, on my WhatsApp number between 12 noon to 2 p.m. Thank you.